Wala ka ba na-observe doon na nagpa-practice doon? Kasi sabi nga ng CIDG, nakapulot pa sila ng mga seals na ginamit sa rehearsal.
Nakatuwaan po na ginagawa ng mga friends at family ni former Governor Henry Teves ay isa bang licensed and registered firing range within the vicinity of their sugar mill?
That's illegal. Kung
Yes,
firing
sir.
range ang ginagawa nyo doon, ha?
I have observed that even in the headquarters of PNP and military, some firing ranges of the same sort exist. But I submit to your wisdom, Your Honor. I submit your wisdom.
Janice Digamo, you have the floor, ma'am. You want to say something? Go ahead.
Good morning. Good afternoon na po pala sa ating lahat. Kay Secretary Remulla and Secretary Abalos and the rest of the agencies of the national government. Saludo po ako sa ginagawa ninyong pagtulong na mabigyan ng hustisya ang akin pong asawa. Hayaan niyo lang po ako na i-explore pa ang ibang avenue. Hindi ko po intensyon na maliitin ang ginagawa ninyo dahil na-impress at na-amaze ako sa mga ginagawa ninyo na ma-discover at I can see it that you try so hard to help the governor and to give justice to my husband. Pero hayaan niyo po ako na gawin ko bilang asawa ng aking nawalang napaslang na partner po ang aking asawa na i-explore lahat ng avenue kung saan talaga namin makamit ang hustisya, kung ano sa tingin namin makakatulong na makamit ito. Dahil po, hindi po kami makakapag-move on at hindi po kami, I do not want to, one day soon when we meet in heaven, ayoko naman pong sabihin sa kanya na, Ruel, kinulang yung effort. Gusto ko po pag nagharap kami, may hustisya o wala, ako bilang may bahay ng governor, alam niya na kinapalan ko talaga yung mukha ko, hindi ako sanay magpunta ng Senado, gusto lang namin, simpleng ano lang, yung usual. Pero ngayon po, gagawin ko po talaga lahat para pag nagharap kami ni Ruel, sasabihin ko po talaga sa kanya, Ruel, ginawa ko po talaga lahat ng kaya kong gawin sa ngalan ng hustisya para sa iyo. At kasama po dito ang aking hope and desire na sana po with justice comes peace. Kailangan po talaga namin ang kapayapaan sa Negros Oriental. Araw-araw po ng buhay namin, doon po kami uuwi. That is the only place we will ever call home. Allow us po, sana wag niyo pong mamasamain ang pagpunta namin sa Senado. Naghahanap talaga kami at i-explore namin lahat ng avenue na ma-return ang peace sa probinsyang aming uuwian po. Thank you po sa lahat ng effort sa buong national government of President Bongbong Marcos sa assistance po na ini-extend niyo sa amin. Maraming salamat po. Thank you po.
Thank you, Mayor Janice Digamo. Before you leave, sirs, pwede natin pakinggan yung sa kabila naman, si former Governor Negros Oriental, Henry Teves. Baka meron din siyang apela sa inyo. Sige lang, relax ka lang. Inom ka lang muna tubig. Gob. Ex-Gob.
Yes,
Inom ka muna tubig. Yeah, you have the
good
floor,
morning,
sir. You have the floor.
everybody, to this honorable body. Good
Yeah.
morning and to everyone. I'm just doing my duty as a Filipino citizen that once called here and invited, I should be present and answer questions truthfully. And of course, again, I'm now in front of my fellow Negrenses, Mayor Janice, the mayors here, and everybody. Once again, I would like to give my sincere condolences. There's one more victim that was a friend of mine. I just knew about a week ago. Her name was Capitana Florenda Quiniquito because her husband was my friend, si Lalay. I know he was also one of the victims. So medyo sa lahat ng biktima, may dalawa akong kilala talaga. Opo. Once again, I'm here to answer the questions because that is what a law-abiding Filipino citizen should do. Good morning, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Henry Teves.
On the part doon sa tanong ni Senator Ejercito, That's true. Yung mga main player, nag-practice po yan sa sugar mill days before. That's the reason why the CIDG implemented a search warrant. And we were able to recover the clothings and the empty capsules used during the practice for the testing of their firearms to be used. For other details, sir, I cannot elaborate, sir. Sir, nakafile na, it will might affect our filed cases, sir. Yun lang po, sir.
Okay, thank you. So, the owner of the sugar mill is former Governor Henry Teves. Anong masasabi mo tungkol dito? You're here to answer questions. So,
Yes,
tanungin
just to
kita, ano masasabi mo?
clarify, Tolong is owned by HJ Corporation, in which I own 10%, and I run it as president.
So, you are the president.
Yes, I'm the president of 2 sugar mills. That's one in Tulong and one in Bukay.
So,
It's run
as,
by,
as president,
both has managements.
yeah, tanungin
And
kita,
I
as
run-
president, wala ka ba na-observe doon, na nagpa-practice doon? Kasi sabi nga ng CIDG, nakapulot pa sila ng mga seals na ginamit sa rehearsal. Hindi
So
mo
far, may
na-obserbahan?
nakikita akong mga, in the past, meron namang nagpapaputok to ng katuwaan, but wala akong nakita nagpa-practice. But that was November, December, mga ganun. But after that,
Katuwaan. When you say katuwaan, Honorable Teves,
meron
ano ibig
kasi doon
sabihin nun?
dating parang makeshift na parang may,
Makeshift.
alam mo yung parang may cliff na ganyan.
Tapos,
Na, yung dati pa kasi, way back, since I was young, yun na yung parang target area ng mga kung sino-sino. So meron yan siyang parang, ano yung malaking cliff na ganyan, na nilalagyan nila ng target. Backstop. That's what I say. But after that, wala akong nakikitang movement na may mga taong marami na pupunta doon na strangers. And also for the record, yung area kasi na sinasabing, yung area na may parang backstop, from my office to that's 1.3 kilometers. Ganun kalaki ang Tulong. And it's not gated.
yeah, but 1.3 kilometers, pag may putukan doon, marinig mo, may mag-practice, di ba?
Definitely, maririnig ko.
Lalo-lalo, napatag yan, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Sugarcane plantation.
Definitely
So,
maririnig
mo.
ko.
So, wala kang narinig
Wala
na
akong
putukan doon?
narinig sa time na 3 days na nandun ako.
Okay. You recognize Mayor Digamo.
Mr. Chair, I would like to know if yung pagbabarilan na katuwaan po na ginagawa ng mga friends at family ni former Governor Henry Teves ay isa bang licensed and registered firing range within the vicinity of their sugar mill?
Yeah, we were also interested to know about it, no? Yung sinabi mo na may nagkatuwaan lang doon sa sugar central. Sinong nagkatuwaan doon? Sinong pumuputok doon?
Ako mismo, sir.
Ikaw?
Ako, some of my friends, we put a backstop and we put some steel plates. Oh, total, it's private property. On occasion,
So yung firearms na yun, they're all registered firearms.
yes, of course, I'm a sports shooter, sir. But
Okay.
it's not a daily katuwaan. Maybe it's a monthly katuwaan if you would ask it, or once every 2-month katuwaan. It's just, but it's not really a range, na commercial range na maraming tao pupunta doon. It's just a backstop with a set of plates, technically. Yes.
Okay.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, ma'am, Mayor Digamo.
I would like to know if meron bang na-violate na batas ang ginagawang firing range ang isang area na sinasabing may mga residents around 200 families at grazing area pa ng mga animal at cattle owned by whoever is living in the area. May na-violate po ba na batas ang pag-turn the mill into a firing range para sa katuwaan, lalong-lalo na po na may nangyaring admittance ng mga namaril kay Governor na doon sa isang sugar mill sila nag-practice ng barilan. I would like to know because we would like to have that on record and we can add that to the cases we will file against former Governor Henry Teves.
Okay, PNP, DRDO ng Region 7. Meron bang registered na firing range o shooting range yung doon sa loob ng sugar mill ng mga TVs? Is this a registered firing range?
To tell you frankly, sir, I'll just check it to our RCS whether there is a registered firing range in that area. As of now, sir, I don't have the record. Maybe the FEO has the record.
FEO, yeah. Is there any registered firing range in that area?
Mr. Chairman, based on our record, sir, wala pong nakaregister, sir, na firing range doon sa sugar mill. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so walang registered na firing range doon sa area na yun.
Opo, sir.
So, we want to inform you, former Governor Teves, that paggamit doon as firing range is illegal. Dahil hindi dapat kayo nagpapaputok doon, dahil hindi yun registered na firing range. But alam mo, sa probinsya, anywhere you can use as firing range, lalo-lalo na kung ikaw may-ari ng lupa. That's being practiced. Alam mo yan. But strictly speaking, legally speaking, pag gamitin mo ang firing range yung isang lugar, you have to apply for a permit with the Firearms and Explosives Office of the PNP. Pero ako mismo, may maliit akong lupa doon sa likod ng bahay ko. Nagpapaputok ako doon ng safe naman. Safe naman. Ginawa ko maliit na firing range sa kunti lang. Pag kailangan ko mag-practice. But that's illegal. Kung
Yes,
firing
sir.
range ang ginagawa nyo doon, ha?
I have observed that even in the headquarters of PNP and military, some firing ranges of the same sort exist. But I submit to your wisdom, Your Honor. I submit your wisdom.
Yeah, even I can say that yung ibang firing range sa loob ng kampo ng PNP are not registered with the FPO. Am I correct, Colonel Lucas?
Sir, that was before, pero ngayon, sir, pinaregister na namin
Registered na
sir.
lahat.
Yung mga expired na, sir, nirenew na po namin lahat, sir. Pinarenew namin. Of course, with all the parameters na nasa batas po natin, sir. Kinumply naman po lahat nila, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for that. Ma'am,
May
yes,
I add
Mayor Digamo.
one more thing
Go ahead.
po.
Po.
Yung sinabi niyo po na nagpa-practice ang military at ang police, syempre po, military and police, trabaho po nila yung mag-practice talaga dapat para hindi sila maungusan ng teroristang grupo. But I would like to point out po,
You did not tell that to me because I was the chief PNP. Alam ko yung trabaho nila yan.
Yeah,
You
yes
have to be prepared to fight all the time. Yun po, Mayor. Thank
yes
you
po. But I would like to remind the former governor that he is not a military officer nor a member of the PNP. So parang hindi po excuse yun na gagamitin natin ang ating private property para magpaputok doon. Lalong-lalo na, I will reiterate, sinabi niya po, merong maraming bahay, around 200 houses around the vicinity, merong grazing area, meaning may cattle po doon. At if there's one more point, I would like to ask Mr. Chair, ipagpatuloy ko po, pero mag-shift po ako ng tao na tatanungin po. I would like to address,
You cannot,
sorry.
You cannot direct your question to a particular resource
okay
person.
po. Sorry
Idaan
po.
mo ito lahat sa akin kung meron kang gustong ipaparating.
Sorry
Please.
po.
Yeah.
This is my first time here in the Senate.
We understand. We
My
understand.
question po is, it was mentioned a while ago that a certain Go, who bought 3 vehicles na ginamit sa pagpaslang ng asawa ko. Iisang tao lang po ang nakabili. I would like to know because Director De Limos po said that si Director De Limos ba yung nag-file na daw ng kaso dito sa tao na, you know, the owner of the vehicles used by the gunmen. I would like to know po sana, Sir, Mr. Chair, if yung kaso po ba na final yung conspiracy theory po, yung parang may nag-conspire sa multiple murder na nangyari sa husband ko. Kasi po, pag hindi po siya nag-conspire, pag ang kaso po ay hindi conspiracy, mas mababa po ang penalty po doon. But looking at all the angles to what happened to the governor and how the crime was committed, makikita po talaga natin na kung nagpahiram itong si Go ng 3 sasakyan, dapat conspirator po siya sa krimen na nangyari sa asawa ko. I would like to know po the answer.
I'm sure that that particular point is being taken care of by the investigating agency. But for that matter, for reasons of nagtatalong ka to satisfy that question.